I was looking for volunteer positions in heritage, and then when I saw this website of European Heritage Volunteers, I couldn't believe it was real, because the opportunities were really nice, all the projects were really nice. So I actually registered and applied for 5 projects and I did 5 projects in a row. It was a really intense summer, both being coordinator and participant, so it was really nice because I had the chance to experience different approaches to heritage, from documentation to hands-on experience.
Well, we are very glad that we had this opportunity to create this camp, this course. We wanted for a long time to work with European Heritage Volunteer. We never had the chance to do that. And finally, with this chapel that belongs to Rota do Freixo project, and with the goodwill of European Heritage Volunteer, we were able to create this moment. And it's very, very important for a territory like ours, that is a territory with the problem of population, of education, economic sustainability. And we do believe that having this group of people that come from all over the place, and showing also to the locals that it's very important not only to care about heritage, but also to be an active part in the protection of heritage, we do believe that is the right way to develop these territories of the interior of our country, but we also know that is what is happening in other countries in Europe. So we are very, very pleased to have been able to create this moment with the European Heritage Volunteer.
Well, we are here in Portugal for the training course from European Heritage Volunteers program to learn mostly about conservation and restoration of wall paintings. We are here in the church from 16th century, actually chapel from 16th century, in a graveyard of the city of Portel, a small city or village in the center of Portugal. And these frescoes are a good example to learn from, because they are all kinds of destructions, and mostly based on water migration, and also partially because of neglectance. Chapel is not so active as it was before, so now you can see the destruction elements around me that are actually the major problem. Here, students or participants in the program can learn all the necessary techniques, from first conservation of the church or wall paintings, and then after techniques of restoration of the wall paintings. So we will go through stabilization of wall paintings layer, fresco layer. We will go through injection techniques of consolidants, also surface consolidants, and after all we will apply plaster, clean the surface, and then in the end give our best to do the integration of color, chromatic integration of as many parts as we can achieve for these 2 weeks.
Opportunity to touch the wall, to reconstruct the layers, the colors, to see, to know how this whole process looks like, which is not possible always at the university, where, let's say, the theoretical knowledge is the most important thing. So here the practical knowledge, the manual knowledge is one of the most precious things.
Por vezes está seccionado e podemos tirar a peça. Especial porque é um espaço em que não estava a ser intervencionado. há muitos anos, o que torna, como eu tinha dito, uma mais-valia para as pessoas, e é um projeto gratificante a nível da povoação, a nível gratificante também para os participantes, porque eles estão a pôr a descoberto pintura que há 400 anos ninguém as tinha visto, não é? Porque é uma pintura antiga, e a cuidar e a conservar para que dure muito mais. Portanto, é um projeto muito interessante e tendo estes voluntários vão dar continuidade, portanto, estão a dar continuidade a um projeto que não termina aqui, porque são coisas muito delicadas e precisam de mais tempo também, mas que se prevê que outros poderão vir e que possamos dar uma certa continuidade a isso, porque são projetos que não se fazem de um dia para o outro, são projetos que envolvem muito trabalho, muita dedicação e amor também.
First of all, we clean all the wall, so we kind of select a section which will be the example of the wall, how it will be, and then we clean and we consolidate, we fix the missed pieces, and now with this, what we are doing now is to reconstruct the missing pieces and try to do a chromatic restoration
with the watercolors.
Mm-hmm.
On the one hand, this project helped me get to know how frescoes and wall paintings in general are treated in restoration, and on the other hand, it also helped me get to know the culture of the Alentejo and helped me interact with the local community and to get to know more about the local food, the local customs, the scenery.
And it's split into towns.
The fresco route was actually created before Spira. It involves several municipalities from the Alentejo and more than 50 monuments. Most of them, or a big part of them, are actually places that are sites that are closed usually to the public, and so this was a way of trying to create a structure and also a product, a touring product, that would make it easier for people to visit it. And it's all connected with the beautiful frescoes that we have in the Alentejo.